Hello, everyone. I'm Xiao He. Today, I want to introduce the frozen grass carp slices from Xiao He's Hot Pot series. These grass carp slices are boneless, thin, and have a beautiful shape. Once the broth is boiling, add the fish slices and cook for about 1 minute before they are ready to eat. Let's try its taste. The entire cooking process is very convenient as it eliminates the need for coating with starch or any additional steps. After being cooked in the hot pot, the slices are delightfully crispy, tender, and refreshing. Xiao He selects grass carps that are fed with broad beans, resulting in firm and tender meat that is rich in protein and nutrients. Highly recommend giving it a try. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Xiao He's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.